Alright, Chris, what did you just unbox, buddy?
Sinister diesel cat fuel filter swap. I'm just reading through the instructions right now, and then we're going to do an install on it.
When you read the instructions, they're our current, so hopefully this goes over well.
That's what I was thinking, but he wants to do it right by once.
We're going to try to do it right for the first time.
I don't pay someone to do it.
Oh, that's it. Cheers.
Okay. Pre-filter so that you get water and shit there. You take water right away. There we go.
Fuck, it's just tight.
There.
Plastic, dude.
Okay, it's right there. Yep. Old fuel filter, priming cap, and keep going with the install. Nice.
You gotta take those two off right there. Oh yeah, just get your fucking hand in the way. Jesus.
Get over it. Pick a wrench, any wrench.
I'm gonna say it's an 11. Do you know why?
Why?
This 13 was so slippery. Oh,
What
God.
the hell?
One second time.
Hello?
That one actually went.
Where'd it go?
Oh, I can see it down low.
It's on the ground or on your skid
Oh,
plate?
not quite on the ground.
Skid plate?
I don't think it's skip it actually. It's like.
Oh God. That's good. So today Chris is working underneath the truck. Oh, just kidding.
Okay.
It's 11, dude. It's 11. Give me the
Put it
11.
over there
Give me the
so
11. Yeah, it's an 11. I'm telling you, man. It's a... Pull up. I was just raffling. It's a 12. Wait. Yeah, it's a 12. I overexcited myself on that one.
Definitely 12. Holy Rick.
She's fucking tight.
She's a stiff 12.
You need a breaker bar. Oh, Jesus. Pretty sure I just saw drool come out of your mouth. It was pushing so hard.
Hold this so and I'll catch Chris when he falls off the truck.
Oh, sounds good.
I'm gonna fall off the truck.
Clinton Jansen snapped you.
I know.
Gotta put that in the video just for him. Like, ah, you gotta fucking shout out.
Plug.
Get it?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck, wait.
So.
So the next step in our instructions
Is grab the hard work here and
yeah,
that's what it says.
It says get,
It says get the
says
hard
get your
work.
bitch, get your,
Yeah.
get your boy to
Sinister's
grab
asking
some
for
hardware.
for Kieran.
Asking for diesel.
Yeah. Oh, they're asking for the whole diesel company. Oh, this is gonna spray fuel everywhere.
Built by
It is.
Lbz.
No, I don't know.
Checked by Phil S. So thanks to
Phil S. Check the hardware.
Macaulay and Phil. Which part? It's 3 stages here.
Right. So we need the M8 hardware. Oh god.
Let me just
Right.
figure that out real quick.
And the spacer, which you can probably obviously see which one's that. It is not bolts.
Chris, you got your knife?
My jacket, yeah. Oh, okay, take the back. So we just a bracket. So all we're doing is literally just putting a spacer between where this was. It'll be like that.
For the new one?
Yeah, just so it's spaced out a little bit more because the it'll make it easier to work on. And I think the cat, I don't know if it's bigger in diameter, but it's definitely taller
Yeah.
than the factory. So and it's also
Cool shit, dude.
it filters down to a higher micron. I think it's down to 2 or 3 microns instead of the factory's. It's like 7 or 8.
So do you have to disconnect those hoses that go to the housing?
Nope. No. Literally all we're doing is gonna put the little spacer on, put it back on,
Oh, I see. So the filter
Just
just attaches
sticks
to the
up.
bottom.
Yeah, I think you just
Oh,
unscrew
okay.
it. And then there's the water separator on the bottom of that. So you just unscrew that. Screw that.
Okay, sweet. Oh, you're getting too much shadow, dude. Come back my way. Yeah. Oh, now we're getting the fucking cool line shadow. God damn it. Shove the light in there. Not right in front, you dingus.
Okay.
That looks
So we
better.
got that. Alright, spacer on
Do you wanna start the threads first and then just put the spacer in between? Oh my god, that does not hold on by much.
There's not much.
Guess it's not heavy, huh?
Yeah. Okay. Just grab my 12 mil wrench, not 13
It
as
should
they
be a
say.
13 now.
I think it's just
It
13.
actually probably will be a 13 on the way back in. I'm not even
It
kidding.
is.
Yeah.
I think it's a 13 for 2011 and up.
Couldn't tell you why GM changed that one.
That's where ratcheting on should be mint right about now.
Yeah. Move on to the next page.
Just for the fucking
Optional
install.
step for easy access. To remove the factory fuel filter, remove the front passenger wheel well. Oh yeah, we'll do that for sure.
Yeah?
Oh yeah, it's super easy to do that then. Remove the factory fuel filter. Okay. Okay.
No, it's just straightforward.
We'll be back with the
So this.
front wheel well.
Oh, look at this. Look at this unit.
So want to get me.
I believe it's a 5/8 and
Wrench or socket?
a socket.
Say that game continues if it's around, go find it.
And I believe it's a actually just a 5/8.
Okay, what'd you do, Chris? Took the filter off.
That's the fuel filter
Dude,
off.
where'd you get it from? Oh, you took the fender well out.
Just right here. Gotta be careful. It's full of diesel. Don't want it to spill.
Words from the wise right there, be careful.
Pour it into the new filter, right?
Sort of actually.
Yeah, I know, because you gotta use it to fucking put it on the seal.
Lubricate.
Yeah, you just having fun with your fingers or what? Want some lube?
I know you need to practice those things for yourself.
Right.
In your pastime.
Oh shit.
Why do I come to these things? I never go up.
Why do you fucking take half hour to unpack it? Where's the knife?
Still in my desk.
Oh my god, fucking that is sealed.
Hold that for a second.
It's not rocket science. Poke your fucking finger in it. Poke your finger in the hole, that's fucking trick right there, and then you just get the plastic off.
Okay.
Oh, here. Let me just hold that for you. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that feels good.
All around the tip. Okay.
Okay.
So make sure the
That's pretty cool.
What, the fuel? Oh, the adapter?
apply some fuel to the seal.
Plug.
Monster ass. Just kidding. Oh, yeah, fucking.
Yeah,
it's
trademark
blue.
the color.
Apply some
Copyright, we can't
Yeah,
put this in the
yeah, I
video.
was just gonna say, we're getting copyrighted now.
Just fill the filter first.
Oh, yeah. Oh. Fill the filter, he said. Or like fill the floor.
Find a dry start.
Fuck. She got a lot in there. Mint. Nice and full. Couldn't you just pour it in through the adapter even?
Yeah, I guess we could.
That's too much thinking. I'm just climbing up
Yeah, I
the
was gonna say,
well.
you might just want to go get a little closer there. And
Okay. Yep.
Check.
And then fire it up just for check for leaks.
No, I gotta bleed it still.
Oh.
Open
awesome.
the plastic bleeder screw, bolt.
Where's that? What's it on the bottom?
Top side.
No.
I'm gonna...
So wait, why do you have to bleed it?
So that there's no air in the system.
They do actually. Oh, it just overexposes really bad. It doesn't even work.
Okay. Release it off.
It's actually really cool that they have priming things. And then once that starts oozing stuff out, does that mean it's good?
I mean,
I just want to start bubbling or what?
sort of. I don't know how much it's supposed to be oozing out of the fucking filter though.
Why was it?
Yeah, a bit.
That was the screw, wasn't it?
I believe so. Yep.
Solid.
So there you go. Can you tighten that back up? Definitely not tight because it's plastic. Okay,
Oh, you know,
and let's start it.
it's kind of fun.
No, I have not actually.
It's good, just like Fortnite. Pop the garage open. I don't see anything dripping. Hey? Nothing's dripping. Sick. Mate, fuel filter done. Good job, Chris.
Go.
Oh, fucking almost fell.